Sea turtles have been on the planet for around 110 million years, since the time of the dinosaurs. Today, there are 7 species that are found in both warm waters and cool waters. Every single one of these 7 species are endangered. Sea turtles are very important to the earth because they are one of the only animals, besides manatees, that eat seagrass. Like normal grass, seagrass needs to be consistently trimmed and maintained. Without sea turtles, this grass would become so tall and thick that fishing would stop and other life forms would lose their homes, and possibly their lives. Only 1 out of every 100 hatchlings will reach adulthood because of predators like birds, crabs, and raccoons. An even bigger threat is the threat of humans. Accidental catch in commercial fisheries or entanglement in marine debris, like trash, are serious threats to sea turtles, as well as the destruction of beach habitat, harvesting or poaching for meat and eggs, and even boat strikes. A healthy ocean depends on sea turtles, and sea turtles depend on us.